Someone is awake in here. Look who it is. What are you doing, Mr. Big Stuff? See, yep. I have learned that I can get up on the end of my crib and I can see down the hall. Huh. Say, I know when y'all are in there.
That's right. I know it.
Say, I know when I'm being ignored. I can see you. I am too big for my britches. What are you doing in there? He's just on his knees. We can just imagine how it's going to be when he's standing up. Well, I am trying to talk, and you are so loud. What are you doing in there?
Hi.
Are you going to stand up? Are you going to stand up? You can do it. You can do it. Come on, big boy. Can you stand up there? Can you stand up there? I'm trying to get a good grip. Say, I've never tried to get up on the side. It's a little shorter than the end. Lucas Wayne. Wow! Oh, that's just the tie. You're not going to stand up? Lucas.
Huh? Say hi, everybody. Tell everybody hi. Dada.
Oh, you're distracted, so we're not going to try and stand up now. Yeah. You silly little thing. Are you a silly little thing? What? Oh, I'm bouncing. I'm jumping. Okay, we'll turn it off now. Say see you later. Say bye-bye. Tell him. Do your hand. Bye-bye. 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 He's watching my hand wave. You can do it. Say bye-bye. It's Dad, Dad, Dad.